And finally, the curse has been uplifted. 18 years long drought has been met with its end. Royal Challengers Bengaluru are the champions of the Indian Premier League of 2025. RCB managed to cross the final hurdle in their fourth attempt on Tuesday as they defeated Punjab Kings by 6 runs in the final to win their maiden IPL title. Krunal Pandya turned out to be the hero as his exceptional spell helped RCB defend the total of 190 runs in the high-octane summit clash at the Narendra Modi International Cricket Stadium in Ahmedabad. RCB's memorable triumph in the IPL 2025 finale also marked an end to Virat Kohli's quest for his maiden title with this franchise. Kohli, who has been part of the RCB squad right from the inception of the IPL back in the year of 2008, finally had his crowning moment on Tuesday as his teammates won the title for him in the 18th season of the cash-rich league, a fitting tribute to the star batter's contribution towards the franchise's success over the years. Now that's the moment that gave us all the goosebumps, made us all emotional. Kohli had tears in his eyes as he covered his face with his hands, trying to hold back his emotions after Josh Hazlewood bowled 2 dot balls to Shashank Singh, with PBKS requiring 29 of the last 6 balls to all but seal RCB's victory in the finale. Kohli's wife, Anushka Sharma, and also an actress who was present in the stands too could not control her excitement as RCB marched towards the victory in the final. After multiple heartbreaks, Samath shattering lows and also numerous forgetful moments over the years, Rajat Patidar-led RCB finally brought an end to an 18-year-long wait for their maiden IPL title, capping off a remarkably consistent season this year. In fact, that too in style. It was RCB's fourth final, having tasted defeats back in the year of 2009, 2011, 2016. They turned the corner this time around to become the 6th team to lift the elusive trophy. Soon after RCB's victory in the Bengaluru city erupted in massive celebration, ecstatic fans were seen on the streets rejoicing as their dream of E-Sala Cup Namde finally came true and it became E-Sala Cup Namdu. Ahmedabad, the entire city erupted with joyous and only celebrations. You can see the massive crowd coming out of the stadium, all happy with chants of RCB. Firecrackers, of course, to celebrate drought coming to an end of the last 18 years. Now these are the visuals coming in from Visakhapatnam as well. You can see the fans all happy, all smiles, celebrating the victory of RCB. Also paying the tribute to Virat Kohli. Remember, this victory was extremely special, specifically for Virat Kohli, as RCB's captain Rajat Patidar had also said that this one is going to be the tribute to King Kohli because of the latest retirement announcement that came in from the star batter. These are the visuals popping up on your screens coming in from Hyderabad. The entire city is on road, it looks like. Big posters of Virat Kohli, loud chants of RCB. Nearly 2 decades of unwavering commitment to the franchise, to this particular dream. Virat Kohli finally lifted the cup. These are the visuals coming in from Vijayanagar. In fact, the jersey looks like getting a holy dip as well. These were the visuals coming in as people prayed, and also the entire social media was abuzz with such memes and such AI-made images. That's RCB captain Rajat Patidar on your screen with the cup in his lap, sitting on a throne with a crown on his head. That's Karnataka's Deputy Chief Minister. In fact, that's Karnataka's Chief Minister Siddaramaia's tweet being flashed on your screen. In fact, Deputy Chief Minister D.K. Shivakumar has also tweeted out. Looks like that he was watching the entire screening. He stood in front of the screens. Now let's speak about this particular tweet coming in from the Karnataka's Chief Minister Siddaramaiah, congratulating, of course, the state's team RCB for defeating Punjab, saying that congratulations to RCB for defeating Punjab in the IPL final and lifting the trophy. RCB boys have fulfilled their dreams of millions of fans by putting up a united performance throughout the entire tournament. RCB's victory is a testament to Virat Kohli's 18 years of dedication and commitment. There is no doubt that every RCB player has delivered a champion performance in all the departments: bowling, batting, fielding. This is a day that has created history. Finally, this time, the cup is ours. And of course, sharing a picture of the entire team along with his tweet. That's the tweet from the Chief Minister himself, congratulating the team for bagging the trophy for the state this time. More visuals of the fans cheering, celebrating on the roads. That's Visakhapatnam's Beach Road. All the fans there on roads. Emotions ran certainly very high among every RCB fan yesterday. This was not just a win for them. It was a moment that they had waited for 18 long years, almost 2 decades. The king was crowned and the victory belonged to the masses. You can see the celebration. It looked like that it was their personal victory. On the right side of the screen, you are looking at Virat Kohli's emotional moments. The last over was extremely tough, emotionally very heavy for the cricketer. Of course, this year he announced the retirement from the Test series in a very subtle manner. A cricketer who is known for his aggression, who is known for being loud on ground, announced his retirement in as simple way as possible, as subtle and quiet as possible. Since then, every RCB fan or every Virat Kohli fan or every Indian cricket fan was waiting to just pay tribute to King Kohli in any manner. We also got you the report from Chinnaswamy Stadium a couple of days ago when there was supposed to be a match of RCB, when we saw people wearing the white jerseys with 18 written on it to just pay tribute to Virat Kohli, because the announcement of retirement came a couple of days ago to that particular match, but then rain spoiled it all for the fans. So yesterday was finally the moment when the entire crowd, the fans, could have come out in masses and would have celebrated with King Kohli. So it was extremely crucial for them. In fact, RCB's captain Rajat Patidar had also in one of the press conferences said that if we win, if we lift the cup, it is going to be for Virat and Virat Kohli only. This one is going to be the tribute for him. You saw these were the visuals from before the match, when people went to temples, they went to holy ghats, they did aarti, they did puja, they prayed their gods, just for RCB to turn out victorious in yesterday's high-octane match. In fact, it was a high-octane, power-packed day for all of us. Let's show you one of the clips from last night's show when we spoke to the experts and when we spoke to our reporters who were present at the ground, speaking directly to the masses and showing us the celebration that erupted after RCB's victory.